going to take everything from 5 and 6, put it together in a practical manner. To do that, we got to make sure we warm up, stretch out, and everyone loves jumping jacks. So Master Hoyle loves them more than anyone else. He's going to do 10. Go!
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
Good. Spartans got just picking up that front leg 10 times. There we go.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
Other side.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
Good. On my count, he's going to jump, bring his knees to the chest. Ready? 1, 2, hey. Go! Hey! Good, he's gonna bring his heels up. 1, 2, hey! Go! Hey! And back to Spartans. Go! So we were talking about that movement forward and backwards, keeping that stance the same, not stepping to your foot. So Master Hoyle, when I count 1, he's just gonna slide forward 1. And when I count 2, he's going to slide backwards 2. Perfect. And you can follow along at home when I say switch, he switches and stand switch. So we have our 1, 2, switch. 1, 1, 2, switch. 2, switch. Switch. 2, 1, 2, switch. Switch. 1, switch. Oh. Woo. All right, that was, I was trying to trick him there. But it's a good warm up, and we're going to do one more thing, and we're going to add a switch to the backside, which is kind of like your backside kick timing. So from here, Master Hoyle goes back to Sparring, says go, and this is going to be, I'm going to say like back switch, so he's just going to do that 1-8 to the backside, back switch. But you're going to jump in your spot, sir. Let's reset. All right, so let's pretend we were before paddle. All right, that was great, and it's a great warm-up. I'm going to add one more thing for Master Hoyle. So he's going to go back to Sparring, says go, and he's going to do a back switch, 1-8 to the backside. Ready? Back switch, just like that, back switch. Good, paddle. So I'm going to say that as our back switch, and now you'll know that the switch is just a regular switch. Back switch.
It's back switch.
It's back switch. I'll just say back.
Yes, sir.
Do you like that, back or switch?
Whatever works for you, sir.
I'll say back switch.
Sounds good, sir.
All right, make sure you listen. Clean those ears. Jump! 3! Sparring says go! Switch! Switch! 1, 2, 1, 2, back switch. 2, back switch. Switch! Switch! 1, 2, back switch. Back switch. Back switch. Back switch. Oh! Whoa! Good job, sir. Good job. All right, check it out.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna warm up both those legs and those arms. So throw those arms to the front. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 요. In and out. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 요. Good. Legs out, elbows down. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 요. Right side. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 요. Another side. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 요. Turn the right, bend that front knee. You're gonna keep that heel and toe on the ground. So think about just your forward lunge, sir. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 요. Since Master Hoyle's feeling good, he's gonna kick that front leg out. He's gonna do that side split, one hand on each side. Let's see how low he can. Whoa, nice. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 요. And other side, you're gonna start off with that knee in. So bend that knee. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 요. And kick that leg out. Nice, sir. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yo, good, sir. Stand up, shake it out.
Yes, sir.
All right, so like Master Stolzik said in an earlier episode, really good warm-up stretch. It takes about 15 minutes or even longer. Sometimes for class purposes, we do a 10 count. But really a 10 count is like the bare minimum. Really, if you're going like a 30 count or 1 minute hold, is going to definitely improve your flexibility. So if you have the time, watching a little TV, watching a little YouTube, then think about those longer holds for your stretching. From here we go to tension stance, raise and swing. Good, Sparring stance, go, yeah! Good, we're going right our combination. So we're just going to start off with that basic low block punch. Ready, up. Ha! Hey! Ha! Go! Ha! Go! Ha! Go! Ha! So he says, ha! Good. So we're going to do the same thing. He's going to add a kick. So he's going to go low block punch, kick. Go! Ha! Good. Up. Ha! Hey! Ha! Go! Ha! So he says, ha! From here, Master Hoyle is going to slide back when I count one, then just return to center. Ready, up. And then he's going to return. So that is great. In this episode, we're going to kind of go over a side movement. So instead of moving straight back, he's going to angle out at a 45. Ready, up. Good, and reset. Ready, up. Good, so notice he's pushing off his front foot. His back foot acts as a rotor to kind of slide him over in that position. Up. Good, two more, up. And one more, up. Good, so he says, so he's just going to show you one time, sliding straight back, up. Good, he's going to reset now. He's going to show you that little side movement, up. Good, up. And one more, up. Perfect, so just stand, so now we're just going to add that together. So with that low block's going to happen, he's going to do that side movement, punch, and roundhouse. So it's going to go low block, punch, roundhouse, all from that side movement. Ready? Go. Nice. Up. Good. One more. Up. And so just same thing. So it's going to go low block punch and that roundhouse. Up. Good. Up. And one more. Up. Good. So he says, so we reviewed that backside kick and the intermediate kicking. We're going to review it real slow. He's going to turn that front heel, look over that back shoulder kick. And reset. One more time, slow. Turn that front heel, look at that back shoulder kick. Good. This is going to be a great counter, but it's going to be standing your ground. So he's going to stand his ground, no slide back, no slide sideways, and just go. He's going to have a little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, up. Nice. Relax, relax, relax. Little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, up. Good. And one more. This is definitely a timing reaction. Up. So you stand, same thing, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, up. Good, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, up. Good, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, up. Huddle, breathe in and breathe out. Shake it out. All right, this time I'm going to get some help from Master Stolzik. You guys all know
Professional help on his way.
Tall, do they call it a tall glass of water?
Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, dark, and handsome.
Thank you, thank you. All right, so just like we have brought to you in an early episode, we have this remote control with the little pause button. We're going to be going over some of these techniques and see how they work. So face each other, gentlemen. Great. So here, when I hit the play button, Master Stolz is going to do his roundhouse kick. Master Royal is going to slide back roundhouse, and we're going to see what happens. Ready? Bam. Pause. Okay, so as you can see, because Master Stolzik is a little bit taller, Master Hoyle does not have the reach to get him. So let's rewind. Yeah! So now from here, we're going to do that little angle side movement. He's going to do that roundhouse kick from that position. Hold on. And rewind. Wait, I like that. Let's see it one more time. Go! Rewind. Perfect. Relax, gentlemen. So sometimes that angle is going to give you the better positioning, especially if you're a little bit, just a little bit shorter. A little bit shorter. All right. Let's go back to that sparring. Let's go. Good from here. Master Wells switch stance. And he's going to stand his ground. So no moving, no moving. And when I hit play, let's see what happens. Oh. Well, he misses. Rewind. Good. So this is going to be a little bit harder. You really have to have that reaction. Once you think that person's going to kick, you're going to kick at the same time, and then that backside kick is going to be more powerful, hitting in a certain direction straight out. So Master Stolzik will not have a chance. Ready, go. Oh, rewind. One more time. Go. Rewind. Huddle. Go. Come here. Thank you, sirs. All right, so quick quick review. Sometimes moving in, moving back is not the best movement in actually angle, or I like to say circular motion is going to be better, especially in that intermediate advanced sparring, or even on the streets.
Sir.
All right. Thank you for joining us for episode 7, and make sure you tune in to episode 8 for advanced hand techniques. Make sure you hit that like button.
Subscribe for more.
I don't. Can you hit the like button with the kick,
Oh, you can just hit that notification button up there.
or just like click it?
Smash it.
Why am I doing this? Is it more? I don't know.
We should just say.
All right. Make sure you subscribe. Ciao. Good.
감사합니다.